We have lost way too many of our sisters in the hands of men. It's not in the clothes we wear or the attitude that we have that puts us at greater risk of gender-based violence. It has to stop today, and it starts with you.
I feel that men are sick because every time you hear about someone, a lady getting murdered, whether they were raped or abused and they got murdered, it's always the male that is the perpetrator.
More than anything, I think it's because of social media.
They want to feel more powerful about themselves.
Basically, I think men are after money, but for fear of identification, they end up killing their victims.
Women need to be strong, they need to know their rights, and they need to exercise it properly.
I think because men are preconditioned to like want a beautiful woman at the end of the day, so everything else is like a domino effect from that.
I think it goes back to how we were raised, because so much focus is put on women, so much pressure is put on them, and nothing is taught to young men and young boys.